G'day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down the charts every single week. Now in today's video, I have a bit of a different video for you guys. I just want to talk about my overall thoughts on the crypto market at the moment and where I think we're going. And I'm going to go through the top 100s and I'm just going to talk about some of my favorite altcoins which I think have the most potential to get life-changing games in this next cycle. But before I get started with that, I just want to go to the Bitcoin chart for a sec, and I want to look on a longer term time frame. Now, ever since our bottom back here in January of 2023, we've actually been on a local uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. And this change of trend occurred when we finally broke out of our downtrend, which can be identified by this descending line here. So as you can see, when we were in the downtrend, we were always making lower highs and higher lows. And when we were finally able to get above that level and flip it is when we actually started our new uptrend. And this can actually be identified in every single cycle. So if we actually have a look at our last 3 Bitcoin cycles, once we actually got above this descending line for resistance, that actually marked the start of our new uptrend to the upside. And I'm expecting the exact same thing to play out again, guys. Now, in the short term, do I think we're going to go straight up? Do I think we're going to go straight to the moon? No, I don't, because we are actually coming up to some key levels at the moment, and we have actually pumped up quite a bit on the chart. Now, the key level I'm going to be watching for is actually going to be this box here. I want to see price get above this level if we are going to see a bigger move to the upside. If we can actually get above that level, I do think that it will be more likely that we'll actually get a big move up to our next local high, which is actually this zone here at around 48,000 to 49,000. And when we actually pull our volume profile, we can actually see that $49,000 level, it's actually our macro value area high of that previous range, which we were trading in. Now, currently we are just above the value area high, but I do think that we could get a move back down to the value area low, which actually works out to be exactly at this resistance level, which we were struggling at for so long. So we can actually draw a box at that level. Now, looking at how our momentum waves look, especially on the weekly chart, we can actually see that we are very overbought at the moment of this momentum wave. And our VWAP is coming to the downside, indicating that we are likely going to get that red dot, which is going to give us that move down. And the area I am going to be targeting for that move down is going to be that previous level of resistance at my blue box down here. So I am looking for a move down, and this is where I'm going to be loading all of my bags. So however long this takes, it may take a couple weeks just to come down and reach these levels, but I am expecting a retest of our prior level of resistance to flip it into support, so we can then get a bigger move to the upside, where I will be targeting that level here. So that's currently what I'm looking at in the short term, but I want to talk about what altcoins I'm going to be investing in, because obviously you can buy Bitcoin, but I'm not bitch. So we're going to be investing in some cryptos that are a little bit more risky, but have bigger potential for bigger returns. So what cryptos do I like at the moment? Well, I'll tell you right now, my second biggest holding is actually Ethereum. But I actually haven't bought any Ethereum since 2021. Now, my average buy price was around $1,700, so I'm in a bit of profit at the moment. But the main reason I'm not buying Ethereum is you're not going to get those same returns. Its market cap is just way too big. I'm projecting Ethereum to get to between 10 to probably honestly, it's a range of 10,000, I think, at the minimum, to potentially 15, 20,000, which is what, maybe a 10x. And that doesn't get me excited unless you have like hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest in the markets. You're probably not going to make life-changing gains. BNB at the moment, with all of the Binance news with CZ resigning, I probably wouldn't touch that. It's just too much uncertainty at the moment. So I'd probably stay away from BNB. Potentially, like, it could be a good buying opportunity, but it's just too risky for me at the moment. XRP, you guys know I'm a massive XRP bull. I think XRP is going to be absolutely insane in the next cycle. A lot of you guys don't know, but XRP actually flipped Ethereum at one point to claim that number 2 spot. And if it wasn't for the suppression of the SEC lawsuit, it would probably have a much larger market cap of probably over 100 million at the moment, if I was to guess. Solana, I don't mind Solana. I used to be quite bearish on it at the bottom when all of the FTX news was going on, but as new information has come in, I've actually changed my tune, and I am actually quite bullish on Solana. I did miss that buying opportunity under $20, and I don't own any, so I'm probably not going to buy now, especially when it's pumped so much. And it also has a massive market cap, and you guys know I love my small cap gems, so it's probably still too big of a market cap for me at the moment. Cardano, I do have quite a big bag of. Obviously haven't bought any since like 2021. It is at quite a good price now, but the thing with Cardano is the development of a project is just so slow, and a lot of the hype with Cardano has died down. Probably not a crypto I'd be buying at the moment. Dogecoin, look, I do hold Doge, haven't bought any for a long time. Like most of these high cap cryptos, to be honest, I bought most of these in the 2021 cycle, but I've mainly been investing in like these lower cap coins, especially ones outside the top 100, which I'll probably talk about a little bit in this video. But Doge really depends on Elon Musk, whether he decides to integrate like Dogecoin payments into Twitter. It really depends what he decides to do with that, which could cause mass adoption for Doge. But if he doesn't, then who knows with Doge. Chainlink, very bullish on Chainlink. Matic, I like Matic, but I think some of these other layer 2s offer a lot more upside, like your Arbitrums and Optimism. And there's actually another one, a really low cap layer 2 crypto called BitRock, which I've actually been investing in. I think it's like a sub like $15 million market cap at the moment. So if you're going to be looking for layer 2s, I'd be looking for these lower cap ones that offer better returns. Dot, kind of have mixed feelings on Dot, not really sure what's going on with it at the moment. Haven't really kept up to date with a lot of like what's going on in the Dot ecosystem. Probably one I need to do a bit more research on. What other coins do I like? Obviously, guys, I love XRP. I'm gonna love Stellar Lumens as well. XLM. So focused on banking the unbanked. XRP is cross-border payments. Stellar Lumens is focused more on that peer-to-peer payment side. Now, guys, Casper. Wow, did I miss this one? And I knew about Casper early. Like, this coin has absolutely pumped. I remember looking at Casper when it was around 450. When its ranking was 450 on Coin Market Cap. And I was looking at it, and I'm like, it's already gone up so much. I think I've missed the boat on it. And I remember coming back to this project again when it was around like 200 market cap. And I was looking at the chart, and I'm like, this coin has pumped so much. Like, I've missed the boat. And it's just kept going up. Like, geez. I honestly, I think it was like a cent when I was looking at it. Like, I just can't justify like buying this right now after it's pumped so much. I missed that one. I'll probably never get into Casper. I'm not sure. I could do a bit more of a deep dive on it, but with how much it's pumped right now, I'm probably not going to add it to the portfolio. HBAR, guys, absolutely love HBAR, the Hashgraph technology. I'm extremely bullish on HBAR. ICP as well. It's actually one I haven't bought for a little while, but I do want to add a bit more ICP to my portfolio because I don't have enough at the moment. The thing with ICP is they got like absolutely not suppressed, but they kind of got like demolished like at their launch when by FTX. A lot of stuff has come out how FTX manipulated the price of the ICP to an insanely large market cap and then shorted it the whole way down and completely crushed it. And what they did damaged the project and its reputation massively. And I do think that if it wasn't for all of that manipulation, that it would actually be a lot higher in the rankings. And I think it has great technology. I think it has a good team behind it. So ICP is a project I'm quite bullish on. Near, don't really know much about Near. This is one I need to do more research on. I've heard a lot of good things about it. So it's definitely on my watch list. I just haven't had the time, guys. Geez, FTT token has been pumping with that news of them trying to relaunch the FTX exchange. But guys, I would stay away from this one. Like, as what logical like user is gonna sign back up to FTX after what happened? I wouldn't touch FTT. Arbitrum, mentioned that before, like Arbitrum, like the whole ecosystem. Layer 2, I do think there is a better value pick in BitRock, which is like outside the top 2,000 for market cap. Ranking, sorry, with like a sub 20 mil market cap if you are going to go a layer 2. Now, Render, guys, this is another one that I've had my eye on for a long time that I've missed. This is like a combination of like AI and metaverse. And this is a coin I want to add to my portfolio, but I don't know if I can justify adding it after it's already pumped so much. Like, look at this chart, guys. Like, I don't know. If we were to see a big correction in the market and it was to come down to that level of support around here, around that $2.20 mark, I'd probably buy in. But I don't think it will get any cheaper than that. Like, I think if we can buy Render at $2.20, that'll be an absolute gift. So, look, if we get a pullback down to those levels, I'll probably buy it like quite a sizable position. But unless we do see like a big pullback, I'm probably gonna miss out on this coin, guys. Now, Quant, obviously love Quant. Anything under $100 is an absolute bargain for this project. I think my average buy price is like 108. But Quant it's one of those ISO 20022 coins. It's gonna be like, it's kind of going to be the bridge that connects all of these ISO 20022 coins together. Has less circulating supply than Bitcoin, which is like insane. So Quant is just a project I'm extremely bullish on at the moment. So it's one I've actually been accumulating quite a bit recently, and if we see a bit more of a dip, then I'm going to continue to be buying Quant right now. Algorand, I think it's extremely like undervalued at the moment, so I wouldn't mind picking up a bit more Algorand. Jeez. Theta at 54. That's insane. I remember when this coin was a top 15 crypto. Like, man, has it fallen off. I really hope Theta can like get back up there because I do have a bag of Theta. But I don't know what's going on with Theta at the moment. I haven't heard much. Like, no one really talks about it anymore. So I don't know what's going on. I'm just holding my bag for the next bull cycle. We'll see what happens. Like XDC. Gala. I know there's a lot of hype around Gala recently, but look, honestly, I wouldn't touch Gala right now. Like, the founders of this project have literally been like suing each other. There's a lot of negative negative press around Gala at the moment, and as well, I think their like tokenomics are like not great either. So Gala probably one I would stay away from. DYDX is a project I really like. Don't own any at the moment. Would like to have a bag. It's actually a really good like price at the moment, so it wouldn't actually be a bad time to get in. If you don't know what DYDX is, it's pretty much a decentralized exchange, and I'm pretty sure like a percentage of like the trading fees like generated on the exchange actually distributed to the token holders, which is something I'm extremely bullish on. So this is a project I've definitely got mine. Wouldn't mind picking up a bit of DYDX. What other coins do I like? Got Arweave. This is a project I'm extremely bullish on. So this is file storage. So it's similar to like Filecoin, which I believe is like, I'm actually not even sure where it's ranked. It's like top 30. But Arweave, essentially like decentralized storage. Like that's a narrative I'm extremely bullish on. I think Arweave's undervalued, especially compared to where Filecoin is. So that's one that I'm probably going to look to make a few more buys of, hopefully. Oasis Network, this is one I don't know a lot about, but a lot of people in crypto that I respect are really bullish on this project. So this is definitely one, but I'm going to do a bit more research into it. I need to do a deep dive. But I've heard a lot of good things about Oasis Network, from a lot of like people that I really respect in crypto. So that's one I'd probably keep my eye on. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all. Um, so if you liked that video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm also doing one-on-one coaching. So if you want to learn how to trade, all the details will be in the description below. And also, if you guys got some value from this video and you make any money off of the trades for setups that I do give away for free, feel free to support this channel, guys. I'll link my Ethereum address in the link below. And besides that, I'll see you guys next time.